Got a car lockout emergency? Don't stress. Call my Locksmith Pro. At my Locksmith Pro in Myrtle Beach, we specialize in 24/7 automotive locksmith services. Whether you've lost your keys, broken them, or simply locked them inside, our skilled locksmiths are ready to help. We offer a wide range of solutions, from unlocking car doors to replacing ignitions and crafting new keys on the spot. Our team uses the latest tools and techniques, ensuring we can handle any vehicle make or model with ease. We understand how stressful and inconvenient car lockouts can be, which is why we prioritize fast response times and efficient service. Our goal is to get you back on the road as quickly as possible, with professionalism and expertise you can trust. So, next time you find yourself in a car lockout situation in Myrtle Beach, don't hesitate. Reach out to my Locksmith Pro for immediate assistance. Your peace of mind is just a call away. Call 843-900-4111 now.